Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to discuss about our latest feature that we've introduced in our Workpath product, the receiving module. A common challenge across the lab industry is the ability to effectively track specimens when they're received at the lab. A majority of the laboratories use paper logs or Excel spreadsheets to track the specimens at the point of receipt. This information is often not integrated into the LIS system, thereby making it difficult to determine the custody chain of the specimen or during auditing purposes. As a solution to this problem, we've introduced our parcel receiving module within our Workpath product. In today's demonstration, we will take a closer look on how to create a parcel and effectively manage the specimens within the LIS. A parcel is defined as a package of specimens received from a certain clinic in a given day. We provide, as a first step in the parcel receiving, it is required to assign a parcel ID. The parcel ID can be assigned either manually with a user-generated value or can be an auto-generated that is dependent on the customer's setting. The system allows for both configurations. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will be assigning a manual parcel ID of parcel test 2. The next step in the parcel receiving process is to identify the specimen carrier. We provide a multitude of options for the most commonly provided courier services. For this demonstration, we will pick UPS. Tracking number. When a tracking number is available, it can be scanned directly into this field using a barcode scanner and right from the airbill, thereby avoiding any transcription errors. If there is a courier, the courier information in terms of their name or the company they represent can be entered in place of the tracking number. Facility is the pre-populated customer locations that the laboratory has. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to pick on a Dreamland clinic. If in case a courier brings specimens from more than one clinic, individual parcels are to be assigned for each of those facilities. The parcel receiving module provides the ability to capture granular information at the number of tube level or simply at the bag level. Depending on the customer's needs, either one of the information or both of them can be entered. So we have a receiving date for the parcel. In certain cases where labs do not process samples on the same day of receipt, this can be helpful in determining the turnaround or the delays at the lab where the receiving date of the specimen does not necessarily match with the processing date of the receive date of the package doesn't necessarily match with the processing date of the specimen. The next step after a basic information is entered on the parcel is to determine if the lab requires to enter the specimen information or completely skip the step. The process allows for both options and can be tailored to a certain lab's workflow. If a specimen label information is entered at this stage, the specimen label information will be stored within the LIS. So when the sample is being accessioned, the information can just be selected right off the specimen. For the purpose of this demo, we can add a specimen label, barcode scannable field, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3. We have additional options where we could enter the body locations, the source, type, method, and depending on the sample workflow of the lab, either all or some of these fields can be pre-selected. Similarly, the collection date, collection time, and the receive date can also be populated or pre-selected based on the business rules of the clinical laboratory. At the end of this stage, if there's more samples to be accessioned, more specimens can be added at this stage. For this, I'm going to select a sample that has previously been added in the system and hit save. This completes the creation of the parcel and the corresponding specimens in that parcel. And as you can notice, here's our parcel test 2. At any point, this parcel can be edited and additional samples or information can be corrected on this stage. That completes the specimen creation of the receiving module.